Right. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this 2 video thing. Check it out. There's the other camera. Recording the other camera. I don't know how that's gonna turn out. I can't tell really. Anyway, we got the CZ. We're gonna put this on there. We got a budget guava target that I did. I'm just gonna test out some TAC 22. A new lot I got. And we're gonna try Hazzbro's with St. Patty's Patrick's Day deal with some SK pistol match. Yeah, CZ. There it is. Target's up there. You're gonna see me put this on. I don't trip over that and bust my other camera. Anyway, okay, look. See? I'm going on the scope. Alright. Oh, I can't see it very well. Oh. This never worked when I got the video running for some reason. Over. No. What am I doing here? Oh, I know. Alright. Pause these. Well, alright, hold up. I'm going to pause both of them at the same time. Dang it. Okay. Okay, I think we're both running again. Had to put this one on Pro Video. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. I think. Yeah. Just gotta get it back over to the target somehow. It's been a couple weeks. Where are we at? Okay, there's the flag. We gotta come down. There we go. There we go. Okay. I was doing some Remington stuff with the target that I already had printed up. I got like 4 of them, so I don't want to waste them. Anyway, yeah, let's focus in. Zoom up. Oh, I probably ought to wait till I get the actual target up there. Wow, I hate it when the sun's in my face. All right, pause. Pause this. Okay, here we go. I think I got you guys focused. Whoops, I just messed that up. The other gun. All right. You guys are going to see a lot of weird happenings at the bag end. That's okay. That's how I shoot. Anyway. I don't know how it's going to go today. It's kind of warm. Okay. CZ. Pistol match. Don't even think I'm on the deal here. Not even close. Oh, okay. Wow, I don't know if I can see the numbers. I think so. Oh. All right. And I vape, so better than smoking. All right. Cider. See where we are. Wow. That's way low. Hmm. Yeah, the Sarkin, they don't like to come up. Let's just load 5 in here. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know if it likes a slot. Sheesh. We gotta make sure, because this is kind of tricky. I'm gonna go for his nose. Come on, Harkin. Okay. It's gonna have to do right there. All right. Okay. Number 1. Two, 3, Where's 5? I can't see 5. Dang it. Let's get that bonus. You just have to hit that thing, right? Okay. I cannot see. I'm going to have to go print another target real quick, guys. Flies are out. Okay, let me do that real quick. Whew. All right. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Bing, bang, boom. Ooh. Don't know why that one went high. 7, 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13 up in the deal. 15 right beside it. 17. Ooh. I don't know if these count, do they? One chopper coin cannot hit another coin. Okay. I think that's good. We didn't hit another coin. Well, we did, but not one of the ones. Okay, 18. 'Kay, this is the tricky one. Where's the rest of them after that? Okay, I see 19. Ooh, what? Uh-oh. Yeah, we're not using that. Okay. Shoot that later. Okay, I think there's just one more, 19 and 25 points max. But that's a 20. I don't get it. I have to watch the video. I don't see any more. Okay. 19. That's going to be hard here. Ew. That is a miss. Shit. That's a miss, folks. Pretty sure of it. Additional 5 bonus for hitting red bullseye. Oh, that's number 20. I get it. Okay. All right. We did it. There it is. Dang. I wanted 19. All right. Well, that's how it goes. All right, kids. There we go. We'll bring it down. All right, folks. Check it out. My first dual video. I'm pretty excited. Pretty excited. I think I got it all synced up. Yeah, I don't have something that syncs them. I had to do it. I had to do it manually and shit. So I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out way better. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about the first one. Anyway, yeah, check it out. We didn't do too bad. This is the first target I've shot in a couple weeks, 2.5 weeks or some shit. Anyway, got out today and did Hazzbro's deal. Super fun target. Oh, I figured it out. We're gonna do it again. Anyway, we got a 22 out of 25 with the CZ and SK pistol match. We missed this. Check it out. Look at that. That to me is nicking that coin. So yeah, we ain't gonna count that. And we missed that shit. Look at it. Oh, I figured this out though. Think I can ace it. Anyway, got all those through there. You know, you've seen it on the video. Got all those. That one was close. But we got it. It ain't hitting no other coin. And look at that. We got the bullseye in there. See that? It's a +5. Ding, ding, ding. Alright, so we got a 22 out of 25. Hazzbro. Cool target. I'm going to do it again. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Anyway, there it is. 22 out of 25. CZ 457 MTR. SK pistol match. Dual cameras for the first time. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I did. It was super hard syncing those up, but I figured out, you know, you don't want to pause shit. There's, you know, like little cuts in the video where I had to pause and figure out what was going on with my other camera and this, that, and the third. But no, I figured it out. I'm just gonna get them both rolling and then not mess with it. Anyways, there it is. Thanks Hazzbro for the target. We're gonna do it again. Hope you guys enjoyed it and you're having a great week.